Welcome Divas and welcome back to the Triple D YouTube channel. I want to show you guys this cool gadget that came in the October Diva Box. It is a portable small desk vacuum. So I want to show you guys today how to open it up, how to install the batteries, and how to use it and clean it. So here is the power button, but you'll notice there's a push button right here too. So if you're trying to open up your vacuum, just press the push button and you can open the bottom part. The bottom part exposes the vacuum so you can empty it out and clean it. And if you press a little harder, you can open the top portion, and this is where you can install the batteries. You need two AA batteries, and it'll show you right here which direction to place the battery in, so you make sure that you install it the correct way. Once you've installed the batteries, simply place the top lid in the correct direction on top, covering the battery case, and then place the bottom lid on the bottom, covering the vacuum portion. For demonstration purposes, I will be committing a glitter dip powder crime by sprinkling some dip powder here on my nail surface, and then I'm going to turn on the vacuum. So there's actually a switch right below the push button. Just flip that switch and your vacuum will start running. I like to use it in a very slow manner so it gives it ample time to pick up the glitter that I have underneath, and I just have to make a couple small passes before it picks up everything on my nail surface. Now that I'm done vacuuming, I want to show you guys how to clean your vacuum and how to empty it out. So you just remove the bottom portion that exposes the vacuum, and you can see all of the glitter has accumulated here in the bottom. You just have to dump that out into a trash can, but remember you can only get so much out because glitter likes to cling to everything. So I have this keyboard compressed air duster, and I just spray that on the inside, and you do this inside of your trash can, of course, so that your glitter doesn't end up back on your nail station, and then you'll have a completely clean, brand new portable desk vacuum. If you got a desk vacuum in your October Diva Box, leave a comment below and let us know if you've used it yet and how you're liking it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!